Hello guys, it's Dale here. Before we get started with today's video, I'd like to tell you that I've just released a new book. The book is called Stock Investing with Volume Profile, and you can download it for free on my website. This is it. This is a banner which you can click, or you can click this yellow banner right here on the right side. You click it, it will take you to this page, and you just fill in your name, email address, and you can get that brand new book for free. All right. So that's about that. That's about the book. Now let me switch over to the charts. So what you see before you, this is the euro-dollar 30-minute chart. But before I forget about this, I would like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest was Volume Profile Indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform. And right now on your screen, you see the name of the person who won in the contest, who won the indicator. So congratulations to the winner. And what I'll do next, I'll do another contest for the next weekly trading ideas video. The only thing you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube. And next week I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator. Alright, so that's about the contest. Let me now go back to the chart and the trading ideas. As I was saying, the first trading idea is on the euro-dollar. We are looking at 30-minute chart, and that was a pretty strong selling activity and very strong spike earlier today. This spike right there. And what I wanted to show you is a strong resistance, which is at 0.9756 in here, and this resistance is based on this strong selling activity. Now, if you look into this downtrend with volume profile indicator, you will see that there are significant volume zones in here and in here. As you can see, I have a printed line here which says intraday short, and I did this yesterday when I was doing a daily levels update for members of my trading course, and this level was already tested in here. So those who are trading it took a winner there, and this level is now spent. All right, the price has already reacted to this volume cluster. There was a pullback to it and this reaction. So for this reason, this level is now spent, and the next level in line is this one. This one hasn't been tested yet, and it is based also on a significant volume zone. Now, what this volume zone represents is a place where sellers were adding to their short positions as they were pushing the price downwards, right? As you can see, pretty massive volumes were traded there. And this is telling us that this zone is important zone for the sellers, right? Because they placed a lot of their shorts there. So when there's a pullback to this zone, those sellers are likely to defend this zone and push the price downwards, right? So that's why it should work as a strong resistance. The logic is basically the same as in here. We need to wait for the pullback, and then there should be a reaction like in here. All right. So that's what I expect to happen on the euro when the price reaches this resistance. Now let me switch over to another trading idea. The next one will be on the euro British pound. So what you see before you is the euro British pound chart, 30-minute time frame. And what I want to talk about in here is a weekly point of control from the previous week. So if you look at this gray profile, then you can see that heaviest volumes were right there. This is the weekly point of control. From this weekly point of control, very strong and aggressive buying activity started. This is telling us that buyers were building up their long positions within this area where the weekly point of control got formed. Then those buyers pushed the price upwards. They manipulated the price to shoot upwards, right? Now this zone is important. It's important for the buyers who are accumulating their long positions here, right? 0.8743. This is the point of control. So when there's a pullback at some point in the future, and it doesn't need to be today or tomorrow, it could be, for example, next week, I don't know when, but when this happens, then those buyers are likely to start defending the longs which they placed in here. This is a super important zone for them, and they'll want to push the price upwards again. So this is the reason why this should work as a strong support and why the price should react there. Alright, so what we need to do now is just wait for the pullback or set a limit order here. Just be careful around the macro news and take it from there. Now, because this level is based on a weekly point of control and the range on the Euro British Pound is a bit wider here, I recommend using stop loss somewhere in this area below this little swing point, right, which is also behind the heavy volume zone, which is in here, right? It's behind those volumes and below this swing point. So that's where I recommend having the stop loss. It's 87.11, right? Now let me switch over to another chart, another trading idea, and the next one will be on the Australian dollar Japanese yen. So this is the Australian dollar Japanese yen. You are looking at 30-minute chart, and the trading idea I like to mention here is a level at 94.51. It is a resistance, and it is based on the heavy volumes within this rotation area, after which this selling activity started. So those volumes are likely to be volumes of strong sellers who are building up their short positions in here, and those sellers then started to push the price downwards, right? So the beginning of that heavy volume zone is at 94.51, and it is where I think the sellers should become active if the price makes a pullback. So if the price makes a pullback here, then I expect a reaction. I expect reaction of those sellers who are building up their shorts here. Alright? Those guys should be defending their shorts when the price reaches this zone. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about trading with a volume profile, and if you would like to trade alongside me every day, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com, and what I recommend is clicking this button which says Trading Course and Tools. So let me click that. It will take you to this page, so scroll down a bit, and what I recommend getting is the Elite Pack. It's a recommended training pack where I'll teach you how to trade with volume profile in a video course. That's a 15-hour long video course. I'll also provide you with my personal trading levels. Those are day trading levels and swing trading levels. You will also get volume profile pack, which is pack of my volume profile indicators that I developed for NinjaTrader 8 platform and also for MetaTrader platform. And you will also get a couple of bonuses. Now in here, there's a video which you can watch that will show you in detail what exactly are you going to get with the Elite Pack, right? So that's the recommended training pack if you want to learn how to trade with volume profile. And one more thing before I wrap this video up, what I'd like you to check out is the investing course in here. You click this button, and in here there's a video that will show you everything that's included in the stock investing course. Now, this is a brand new course, and because I've just released a book which covers the same topic as this course, I decided to offer you a discount on this course. So if you scroll down a bit, you can now get this stock investing course for $397 instead of $799. Right? This is just a time limited offer as a little celebration of the new book coming out. So if you are interested in investing, and I think that you really should be interested in investing given all those things that are happening around us right now, then I think that this is really your next best step. All right, so that's the stock investing pack and also the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. Until then, happy trading.